Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that in 2021 you don't miss out on any of my videos. I am just going to be uploading once a week, maybe twice a week, but at least once a week, so stay tuned. I am going to be focusing more on heatless curls in 2021 and also how to keep my hair healthy, and I'm going to be filming some hair growth videos. I'm trying out some products right now that I am loving, so stay tuned for that. Also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love, and let's get right into today's video. So today I am going to be doing some heatless curls, but I also wanted to include in this video some of the stuff that I have been loving in 2020. Like, I have so many products and little like random stuff that I want to share with you guys before the year ends and before Christmas, just in case if you guys want to do some Christmas shopping. I'm going to be doing heatless curls with this flower curl. This is so good. This is not the first time that I try this. I actually tried this in a video before, and in this TikTok right here I did heatless curls with the flower curl. So yeah, I totally love this. I'm gonna be trying their new one that actually is covered in silk. So this is supposed to be more gentle on my hair. I have 5 rings. You can either do 4 or 5, but I just do 5 because I have a lot of hair and it's long. So yeah, I am going to be doing heatless curls with this today. But first, I want to talk about some products that I have been loving lately. So I'm going to start with this one, which is very random. But now with Vlogmas, guys, I damaged my hair a lot. But I noticed that my hair has been falling a little bit from the front. And so that's why I really want to take a break from the heat. And I have been trying some products for that as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to see if maybe this product that I'm using helps with growing the little hairs, the little baby hairs in the front. But for now, I am using this. This is the Color and Conceal Cream to Powder Hair Concealer. And so this is so cool because I just open this up and then I take a little bit of the product and just kind of like press this on my skin. What I like to do is just kind of add this like this, just a little bit, and I'll diffuse it with my fingers too so it looks very natural. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Some of these products were sent to me. This one wasn't, but some of these products were sent to me. I tried them out for a couple of months, and that's why I'm including them in this video, because I actually really like them. But anyways, let's do the heatless curls now, and then I'm going to talk about the other products. I'm using my Juli brush to put my hair up. So now I'm going to use this. I don't need to use this today because, I mean, as you can see, I have like so many flyaways, but I'm just putting my hair up for the heatless curls. Like, I'm not going out or anything, but I love this and I wanted to include it in today's video. I have been obsessed with this, especially when I put my hair up, or even when my hair is down and I have some flyaways. I add a little bit of this. This is the R&Co Dark Pomade Stick. I love this because it doesn't leave my hair like oily or greasy, and it really does help to bring the flyaways down. So look at this, just look at this, watch. Just go like this and it just starts to bring everything back. You guys see that? That's crazy, isn't it? It just really helps to keep all the baby hairs down. And yeah, I love this. But yeah, and it doesn't leave my hair like oily, it doesn't leave it greasy, and it's not like hairspray that once you add hairspray, the next day your hair is like super sticky and you kind of have to wash it. I hate hairspray because of that. So I am going to put the flower curl in like this, as you can see. What I like about the flower curl is that it brings bobby pins already, so that's a big plus. Guys, when I first got this, I was going crazy just looking for bobby pins all around the house, and then when I opened, I was like, oh, it brings bobby pins. So basically, I'm going to take just a couple and secure the donut to my head. So I'm going to divide my hair in 5 sections, and I'm going to add a little bit of this foam. This, oh my god, I totally recommend checking these products out from GHD. I'm going to use their Total Volume Foam, and then I'm going to use the Curl Hold Spray. So yeah, just add a little bit of this foam, and then I'll just start wrapping this around the ring like that. So like that. And then I take bobby pins and secure it along the way. Like that. And then I just keep going. It's actually very easy to do. Like, it only takes me like 10 minutes to do this. So once I finish with my first ring, I'm actually going to secure it to my head. So like this, with some bobby pins. So yeah, first one is ready. So now I'm gonna do the next one. Add a little bit of foam. I've tried a lot of different ways to do heatless curls, and I think this one is like one of my favorite ones so far because it's just so easy and it's like very comfortable to sleep in, and that's like a big plus for me. All right guys, so I'm all done. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna go to sleep tonight, and I don't mind it. It's actually kind of cute. It's way better than going to sleep with like un pajong. So yeah, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of this GHD curl hold spray just to make sure that everything holds even better. Now that I'm gonna go to sleep soon, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my nighttime favorites, like my favorite nighttime products. So I got these new pillows for my husband and I. Sleep and Glow was actually so kind to send me 2 of these, one for me and one for my husband, and oh my god, we love these pillows so much. As you can see, it has like 2 little like openings right here that when you sleep on your side, which I always sleep on my side, I'm a side sleeper 100%, but when you sleep on your side, it's so comfortable because your face kind of just like lays on here and it's not like squishing your face or anything, and this helps with wrinkles. Like, what? For you to have a nice skin overall, you also need to sleep a lot more comfortable and sleep better. Like, now I sleep even more than before. It's crazy. So this is the pillow that I was trying to use before I discovered Sleep and Glow. Not trying to shade or anything, but like this was so uncomfortable to use. As you can see, it's like memory foam too, but it's so big and thick and uncomfortable. You don't understand. Like, I was not getting sleep with this pillow, like, at all. But the Sleep and Glow pillow is just way more small, as you can see, and it's just a lot more comfortable on my head. So yeah, for like the last 3 months I have been using that pillow, and I totally recommend it. It's so worth it. So some of my favorite skincare products that I have been using lately, especially at night, are from Averr Aglow. This product has to be one of my favorite products that they have. As you can see, I've used quite a lot already. This one is the number 3, so this is the Clear Skin Elixir, and this is perfect for acne. My husband and I were getting so many breakouts and we honestly didn't even know what to do. But once we started just adding this to our skincare routine, I mean, this was basically the only thing that we were using in the beginning. You just put this on your face, especially like on your blemishes, and the next day your acne is going to be a lot smaller. This dries up your acne like crazy. So right now I don't use it like all over my face because right now I don't have like a lot of acne, but I will put this like on a pimple and then the next day it will be like almost gone. So another product that I love from Averr Aglow are their eye creams. Like, both of them are just so good, but my favorite one has to be the night one. Like, this one is actually the same color as the number 3. I just call it the number 3, but the Clear Skin Elixir, they're the same color. So that is so smart because that way I don't have like different color under my eyes when I'm going to sleep. This is so thick and I love it because I feel like now that I'm 26, I have more fine lines under my eyes. You know, it happens. I know I don't have like a lot of like fine lines under my eyes, but I do definitely notice a big difference when I don't use eye cream. So you know, eye cream does really help for me. I love their eye creams. They have some of the best eye creams that I have tried. I wake up with very swollen and big eyes. I got that from my dad. He also wakes up like that with like very big swollen eyes. So eye creams have always been like my thing. I love eye creams, and I always use eye creams at night, in the morning, just to kind of like reduce the puffiness and just to look more awake. So yeah, eye creams are my thing. I love these from Averr Aglow. Totally recommend. This Maskne face spray is a game changer. Like, this just keeps my skin so clean when I use a mask. I have one of these in my purse, and then I have another one in my room because right before I go out, I'll just like spray this. I'll kind of use it as like a setting spray as well. So yeah, this helps to not spread bacteria and also calm irritation. So I'll add a little bit of this on my mask as well, and then I'll let it like dry, and then I'll put it on my face, and then I'll just respray like when I take it off and I eat and stuff. And yeah, I totally recommend getting one of these. I think that right now, if you purchase something on their website, you get a free one of these. So yeah, take advantage of that, because these come in handy. When I was in New York traveling with my husband, I would always like spray this on my face, put this in my bag right next to my hand sanitizer, and just like keep everything clean. If you keep everything clean, your skin is going to look clean. Trust me. I learned it the hard way. I was getting so many pimples right here, and Maskne is a thing. So try to really just clean everything that you put on your face. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look tomorrow. I hope you guys kind of like this video so far. I really wanted to include some of my favorite products right now, like random products of 2020, not really like hair related, because I feel like most of my videos are hair related, but there's like so many things that I used in 2020 that I have been obsessed with. So yeah, I'll link everything down below if you guys want to check any of these products out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the final look. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I'm gonna take these off. As you can see, this looks exactly the same as last night, and the only thing that got a little bit more poofy were like the front pieces of my hair. So, but that's normal, usually happens. So yeah, I'm just taking off all the bobby pins. I think I have about 20 bobby pins, so this is gonna take a while. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Very gentle on my hair, and now I'm gonna take out the hair tie. So now you gotta just like play with it, kind of like fix it however you want to fix it. I actually really like how my hair turns out. I mean, for not using heat, not bad at all. I like to put my hair to the side and just kind of let it fall and do its thing. As you can see, those are the curls. Very nice, bouncy. They're not like perfect curls because they're heatless curls, so you are gonna get more of a natural look. But I mean, trust me, I am going to do this so much in 2021 because I just really want to take a break from the heat. I mean, honestly, what I like to do is just kind of like put it to the back like this, like behind my ears. I can even bobby pin the back, and then just kind of let this fall like this. But yeah, I really like how my hair turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about all the products that I mentioned in this video. I'm gonna link everything down below if you guys want to check out any of the stuff that I talked about. The skincare, the flower curl, the pillow, just pretty much everything. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.